Crafters, if you are obsessed with little gingerbread people, then you will be obsessed with this adorable, I mean freaking adorable. I absolutely love it. This is from KSCraftloversstore. Nicole designed her or him, whatever, this little gingerbread mug, and it is stinking cute. It's basically a replica of the Target, gingerbread mug that everybody was going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over. I never got a hold of one, but hopefully one day I will, and hopefully they remake them next year. But anyway, it is so stinking cute. So I decided to make her a Valentine's theme. So let me just share with you that I'm going to be doing a tutorial real quick. I will go through the parts of what you're going to need to put it together, and then the rest is going to be a process video. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this one has a few pieces to it, so I just wanted to let you know that this is the little buttons, but you could also use it for the buttons and the cheek. Okay, I decided to use my Peachy Keen Spa stamp set because I thought this was a really sweet little face because I wanted a girl, okay, for my little character here. And but even though I did cut out the eyes just in case I change my mind, but I decided to go ahead and go with a stamp. I did cut out my icing in a light pink color, and that's because I wanted her for Valentine's Day. I did cut out that bow in case I decide to use it. I also cut out this bow with like a Michael's paper pad as well as the pink paper that I've been using for quite a while now. And then again, I did cut out some of the circles for the cheeks. Now, I decided that I'm going to use the hot pink for the buttons. I'm also going to use the hot pink for the straw over here. I did double up on some foam. I might have to do another layer yet. So that is for, let me see, where is it? Yeah, okay, so we have this piece. Oh, here we go. So we have our base piece right here for the foam. And then also I decided to do a pink too, because I'm thinking like, I don't know, cherry flavored coffee. Sure, I don't know. Chocolate and cherry coffee. I have no idea. But for this piece, I did cut this out twice. So once again in the gingerbread color, and then once again for my acetate. So I'm going to put that one aside. I cut this one out twice. I cut it out in the basic tan color for gingerbread, and I'm covering that up, so I'm not even worried that there is a difference in the color, okay? This one is just a heavier cardstock. Also, I went ahead and cut this out again in this kind of pink color, and that's just because I wanted the handle to be the little pink strawberry, okay? And then let's see, I think I pretty much covered everything, the icing. Okay, oops, nope, I didn't. I'm crazy. Okay, so here's one more piece. So you're going to need to cut this out 3 times, and that's if you have thin foam, okay? If you have the foam from KSCraft, you'll need to cut it out 1 time. So, oops, I went ahead and cut this out 3 times, as well as a 4th time for my pattern color, which is just going to be the gingerbread color. And so that's it for that. I didn't want to attach it yet because I do want to attach my acetate first. Sorry, it's sticky. I did use tape on the back of that. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started putting this together. I'm just going to put these little pieces up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so coming back, let me just go through this real quick. So what we're going to do here is just add a thin strip of glue. And I'm just going to use my finger to kind of like smear that in a little bit better. And then I'm going to add my acetate. Okay, I think she looks super cute, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this little piece off here because it's blocking me from putting on my wonderful foam. So I'm going to go ahead and trim that off. And then now I have a little more room to put that on there. Let's see if I can. It's going to be hard for me to come in there and cut that without making it look crazy and jank. Okay, I'm going to do my best to glue this on here. So. I am so happy with how she turned out. I used a fun little stamp set from Peachy Keen. This was a spa set. I probably mentioned that earlier in the tutorial. I just used some foam, paper. I used some sequins from KSCraft and others. I just kind of like, when I do my mixes, I just kind of like throw everything in there, you know, what I think looks good. I definitely love seed beads and everything like that. And I just think she turned out super precious. I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions of what you would like to see next, please let me know. I know that tomorrow I'm going to be working on this really fun die. This is the little heart-shaped coffee mug with the heart-shaped spoon. I absolutely love it. It is so precious. And I also love that you can do it either way. So if you're a lefty or righty, you know, or you could even pair them together for Valentine's Day, and that would make like a super cute card, right? I just love it. Anyway, guys, I will be back tomorrow with this tutorial. Don't forget to visit KSCraft Loversstore. All the links are going to be down below in the description box. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.